Hi, it's Mick here, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the HANCHU C&I three-phase commercial industrial inverters and AC coupled units. So first of all, let's take a look at the solar input side of things. Each inverter supports up to 1.5 times solar input. So if we take the 50 kilowatt unit here, for example, we times that by 1.5, it means we can actually put to 75 kilowatts in this single unit. It's designed with 4 MPPT trackers supporting up to 8 strings, which means now you can actually design a system to its maximum flexibility and efficiency. With a wide operating range from 200 to 850 volts per string, the system delivers stable performance throughout the day. A low start voltage of just 135 volts means that the inverter will start generating from as few as 4 panels, capturing energy from the first light of dawn right through to sunset. So let's now take a look at the emergency power supply that's supplied with every single unit. So these units are available in a 25 kilowatt, 36 kilowatt and a 50 kilowatt unit. So in the event of a power cut, this system will actually react within 20 milliseconds, so that will keep up lights on equipment without any form of interruption. Each unit can deliver up to the size of its name, so the 25 can deliver to 25 kilowatts, 36 kilowatts, and the 50 can deliver up to 50 kilowatts of backup power in the event of a power cut. Each one of these units though are compatible with our HANCHU 9.4 blade lithium high voltage batteries. So you do need a minimum number of batteries to achieve the maximum charge and discharge rates or power backup in the event of a power cut. So if it was a 25 kilowatt unit, you would need 3 batteries, 4 batteries for the 36 and 5 batteries for the 50 kilowatt to get the maximum discharge rate through that EPS. Each unit is built in with earth neutral bonding, which simplifies the installation. And with a 3-phase gateway option available, this system provides seamless, full home or commercial backup solutions. So let's now take a look at some of the built-in features that the C&I units offer. All the C&I units are packed with intelligent features. Shadow scan technology optimizes solar output in shady conditions, meaning there is a real argument now for not using solar optimizers on any installation. AC coupling makes these systems ideal for retrofit projects, allowing it to be added to an existing solar system without the need of replacing the original inverter. This flexibility makes upgrades cost effective while still giving the customers all the advantages of smart battery storage and backup power. Multiple inverters can be connected together in parallel, boosting charging, discharging and even PV input to create larger systems. Safety is also built in too, with a DC isolator included as standard, connectivity as well with the dongle, which is available in both Wi-Fi and hardwired LAN options. The Smart AI app and web portal give you full control over the monitoring, while with compatibility with off-grid energy providers such as Octopus Energy tariffs, allows users to take advantage of dynamic pricing. So the system comes with weather compensation, so this ensures efficiency in real-world conditions and looking at tomorrow's weather, so we can utilize charge and discharge correctly. And we also have an incredible self-checking commissioning button for installers. This ensures that setup is quicker and much easier and helps you find those problems should any arise on site. All of this is housed in an IP65 rated enclosure, purpose-built to withstand dust, rain and harsh weather conditions. Engineered for both indoor and outdoor environments, this ensures a long-lasting reliability and protection, making it suitable for everything from commercial plant rooms to exposed industrial sites. So another great feature of the HANCHU C&I units is that they can work in an off-grid setup. For locations without a reliable grid connection, the HANCHU C&I range is fully off-grid capable. A built-in generator port allows for backup generators to be connected directly into the inverter, providing seamless integration and reliable power when solar and battery resources are just not quite enough. So let's now take a look at the compatible batteries with the C&I units. The systems are paired with the high voltage 9.4 blade lithium batteries, designed for long life, safety and performance. You can start with just a minimum of 3 batteries. We do need 3 batteries because each battery is 50 volts, Startup voltage on the inverter is 150, so we always need to start with 3 batteries. But you can go up to 12 batteries per stack. And then with the 50 kilowatt C&I unit, you can actually have up to 4 stacks. So you can effectively have up to half a megawatt of battery storage per controller. And let's not forget that they are parallel as well, up to 4 controllers. So that's quite a lot of battery storage you can have with these applications. Like I said before earlier in the video, we do need a minimum number of batteries to achieve the maximum charge and discharge rate through each inverter. So let's just go over that again. So with the 25 kilowatt, you would need 3. With the 36 kilowatt, you would need 4. And for the 50 kilowatt unit, you would need 5 batteries. So with these batteries, they are a 95% depth of discharge. You get almost full capacity out of every battery, maximizing the return on investment. Each battery is individually monitored as well, just like the controller. We can now monitor each individual battery through the AI platform, that's app and web portal. And we can take a real good look at the health, the state of the batteries, and basically what's going on throughout the system. Safety comes first with a HANCHU triple lock safety feature. Each battery is equipped with fire suppression, integrated pressure valves, and premium blade lithium cell technology, the safest and most durable lithium cells available. Together, these 3 layers of protection deliver complete peace of mind for both residential and commercial installations. So with each battery stack, you do need a BDU for each stack. This is effectively the brains of the system. And with the BDU comes this really good LCD screen. So the LCD screen will give you lots of information, including the SoC of the stack. But what's really good as well, as an installer or an end user, you can actually check for firmware updates via the screen. And just by the push of a button, you can upgrade the firmware of the battery stack. So there you are, there is the HANCHU C&I range and its compatible battery. So let's just very quickly recap this video. So first of all, these are available in a 25, 36 and a 50 kilowatt unit, and you can put up to 1.5 times the PV input. We have an EPS which changes over in 20 milliseconds. We have a generator port for those off-grid applications. Each unit can be AC coupled, so you can use it as an AC retrofit where someone already has a PV system and an inverter in place. Parallel technology built inside, which means we can put up to 4 in parallel, so we can increase that charge and discharge rate and also increase that PV input as well. Batteries themselves come with a triple lock safety, so that's fire suppression, pressure valves and blade lithium technology all in one battery. We also have the AI smart monitoring as well for both the controller and the battery, so we get a full overview of what's happening. And both the controller and the batteries are IP65 rated, which means they can go outside. But like I said in the video, we always like to recommend that you put a canopy over it as well. And last but not least, let's remember that these units all come with a 12 years manufacturer's warranty. So that's it. If you want to find out any more information about our C&I units, give us a call here at Infinity Innovations. Or if you're looking to purchase one, give us a call and we'll put you in contact with your local wholesaler. Thanks for watching.